Hi, Christina Sieberts, truthandit.com. Continuing with more coverage at VMware Explore 2022. I am here with Sumit from Liqid, and I want to say a big congratulations on winning an award for Judge's Choice for Disruptive Technology for the VMware Explore 2022 award ceremony. How are you feeling about that?
No, we're feeling phenomenal. VMware has been a great partner for us for many years. We've done a lot of work around integrating with VMware, and it feels really good to be recognized for our hard work.
Yeah, absolutely. It's great to be recognized for all the work you put in, I'm sure. So, Sumit, if you could just tell our audience, what do you do for Liqid? What is your role for the company? And what does Liqid actually do?
Absolutely. My name is Sumit Puri. I'm the CEO and co-founder here at Liqid. Liqid is a leader of building solutions around composable infrastructure. The easiest way to think about it is we are changing the data center from statically configured to dynamically configurable with our software and disaggregation technology. And I can explain what composable is. Composable, the easiest way to think about it is a legacy server versus a composable server. A legacy server, we take devices, a storage device, a networking device, a GPU device, and we plug it into the motherboards of a server, and that's how we configure our machine. With composability, we take pools of resources, pools of storage, pools of compute, pools of GPUs. We connect them into a switch, we come in with software, and we dynamically build machines to whatever size or ratio that the application layer requires. And so Liqid builds that fundamental technology for disaggregating and then recomposing servers in the data center.
Wow, so what would be an example of a use case? When would an organization need to do something like this?
Yeah, so I think our number one use case has to do with things like artificial intelligence, right? And so when we think about artificial intelligence, it's not a singular event, right? We don't go do AI. AI is a workflow. Step one, I ingest data. I need networking. Step two, I clean scrub data. I need compute. Step three, I train data. I need GPUs. Many times these are three separate servers and we're shuffling data around. In a composable architecture, we put data at the center. Data has gravity, and so we put data at the center of the universe, and we bring the networking, we bring the compute, and we bring the GPUs to the data so we can have a more efficient AI workflow.
Oh, that sounds great. So where are you guys based out of, and how long have you been around?
Yeah, so the company's been here for about 8 years. We're based in the Denver area, Broomfield in specific, and we're growing aggressively.
Yeah, that sounds great, and I think that's a great segue into my next question, which is, how has your business been impacted by the pandemic, right? This has dramatically changed IT and the business landscape. What changes have you seen in your company?
Yeah, I think the pandemic's been interesting because it's forced all of us to do more with less, right? You can't go get the server right off the shelf the way that you had to before, so now what we enable is to make more utilization out of the gear that we already own, right? And so for us, it's been a big advantage. Hardware is hard to come by these days because lead times are long. If we can repurpose, reorchestrate, recompose the hardware that we have, we can service more workloads and help solve that supply chain problem.
Wow, that's great. So, yeah, obviously it sounds like a lot of really exciting things going on and a lot of growth happening. Is there anything that anything special you want to call out to our audience? Where can they go to learn more about Liqid, about this composable infrastructure? Are there any events you guys are going to be at where they can come out and see you?
Yeah, no, absolutely. We are here at VMworld Explore, right? And so I want to make a special shout out to our integration with vCenter, and so that is now available and fully launched, and so that's a very exciting thing for us. And come to www.liqid.com, Liqid, and learn more. And the next big show we'll be at is the HPC show, Supercompute 22 in the November timeframe in Dallas. Hope to see you guys there.
Yeah, thank you. Those are great details. Well, thank you so much, Sumit, for giving us a few minutes of your time again. Congratulations on your Judge's Choice Award. That's an amazing accomplishment.
Thank you for stopping by. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much. We'll be back with more coverage.